I'm just here to have the experience, honestly. Like, I'm not going to be sad if I don't get something, but I really want this as a learning experience for myself. So when I get out into the real world, I know what I'm going for. So.
Are you just saying that to make it less stressful for yourself?
Yeah, I am.
Do you want the part?
I want the part.
If only I could have you everywhere in my life.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Our students are assessed before their first class and then placed into levels based on their assessments. Anyone that comes in to be assessed for the musical theater program is considered for a role. From that, they're called back for specific roles in the movie musical, and then we decide from there.
It is a old Hollywood, glamorous kind of movie musical.
Patsy, darling, come here.
There's a love interest and there's a love arc.
She's not the one I want to be with.
Scandal.
And a story about me and Charlie. That would set that girl's career.
Revenge.
You'd understand if you were in my shoes. It's the way of the world, dog.
I don't want to reveal too much.
Basically going into these auditions not knowing anything.
It's very interesting to have an audition where you don't know the synopsis or you don't know much about the characters. So it's pretty fun to step out into this world and just create it with your own personality and your own set of ideas of what this character can be.
I did that intentionally because I want to see, I'm always impressed by someone who can take 2 or 3 pages worth of dialogue and fill it out with backstory that they don't really know yet. I'm always attracted to this idea of someone taking something that has very little and making it into something that is fully realized and brilliant.
Hey, 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 you gotta let me go with you. You don't know what it's like to be considered a freak. Well, maybe you do. But that's why we've gotta stick together. No. Don't speak. Don't speak. Don't speak.
I know that you can sing, so do your own riffs. Okay? And just feel it, and some of them may go haywire and not be great, but no hooves, just sing it, and sing it in a new way, with the intention of trying to get someone to love you.
Hey, you gotta let me go with you. You don't know what it's like to be considered a freak. Well, maybe you do. But that's why we've gotta stick together. No. Don't speak. Don't speak. Don't speak. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Hold me, take me, please. No. Don't let me go.
Yes.
You just did too much.
Yeah.
That's it.
It meant a lot to me because there's so many times that we feel like we're not enough, or that like what we're doing is not good enough, and that we have like just these preconceived notions and all this stuff going on in our head, but they wanted me to show me and not to show like some random shtick or something that wasn't me. So it meant a lot to me. It was a reminder to me to be true to myself.